Sister Amatullah, the husband who does not pray, will I be committing adultery if I stay with him even though he doesn't pray? You know, you're making you're making the turn very long, the short story long. We're supposed to do the opposite. Why don't you ask, what is he ruling on staying with a husband who doesn't pray? Have you given him an advice? Ask him to pray? Yes, I did. And what did he say? He prays on and off. Okay, he's still Muslim. And ask Allah to make him consistent in his prayer. He prays Jummah and on and off. No, no, no. He says, I will never pray. I don't believe in the prayer. It is not permissible for you to stay with him one day because he has declared he is not Muslim. Okay? And a wife can make the husband pray if she gives him the ultimatum. I married you for this reason because you're a good Muslim. But if you're not planning to be so, I'm not interested. And look what is happening. The sister, and mashallah, she mentioned an obscure name. And this is very nice. She didn't mention her actual name. The husband is addicted to watching porn. Obviously, he doesn't pray. So he's an easy hunt to Satan and his whim, his lust and desire. And I wouldn't be surprised if he actually said, as she mentioned in the third question, that he actually commits adultery. What do you expect of somebody who has a wife, but he is addicted to watching porn, and then, he doesn't also pray? Would he be reluctant or hindered from committing adultery if he were to have a chance? So you don't have to take all of that, Sister Amatullah. It is not the end of the world. I do not hesitate to tell any person who is living a miserable life with his or her spouse, why do you have to take that? If you try marriage counseling once, twice, and 3 times and it doesn't work out, it's not worth it, whether it's he or she. If you feel it's a hopeless case, then just move on with your life. Move on with your life. Give him an ultimatum or give her an ultimatum. The opposite is also